Have you ever wished for thicker, fuller hair without shelling out for expensive salon treatments? What if the answer was already in your kitchen? Let's talk about onion juice. Yes, onions. This humble vegetable has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for hair growth, and now science is catching up. Here's why it works. Onions are loaded with sulfur, a key building block of keratin, the main protein in your hair. Sulfur helps strengthen hair, reduce breakage, and even supports collagen production for a healthier scalp. Red onions in particular are rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Quercetin can help calm autoimmune reactions that attack hair follicles, reduce scalp inflammation, and fight off microbes that can hinder hair growth. Plus, onion juice may increase blood circulation to the scalp, delivering more nutrients and oxygen to hair follicles, which can stimulate growth and even prolong the hair's growth phase. But does it really work? Let's look at the evidence. A 2002 study in the Journal of Dermatology found that nearly 87% of people with patchy hair loss saw significant regrowth after applying onion juice twice daily for 6 weeks. Another 2018 review in the International Journal of Trichology highlighted onion juice's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory benefits for scalp health. Compared to just 13% regrowth in the water-only group, the results are impressive. Ready to try it? Here are some practical tips for best results. Use organic red onions for maximum quercetin and sulfur content. Chop and blend them thoroughly to extract the most juice. Strain the juice well to remove any pulp, which can be irritating to the scalp. Apply the juice directly to your scalp, focusing on thinning areas. Massage gently to boost circulation and absorption. Let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. If you have sensitive skin, start with 15 minutes and watch for irritation. Shampoo thoroughly afterward to remove the smell. A clarifying shampoo or apple cider vinegar rinse can help. For extra benefits, add a few drops of rosemary or peppermint oil, both shown in studies to support hair growth and mask the onion scent. You can also ferment the juice with a pinch of sea salt and honey for 24 hours to boost its nutrient profile and reduce irritation. Apply the treatment 2 to 3 times a week for at least a month. Consistency is key. Results may take several weeks to appear. A quick note. Some people may experience scalp irritation, redness, or an allergic reaction. Always do a patch test first, and discontinue use if you notice any discomfort. If you have a skin condition or are pregnant, consult your dermatologist before starting. So, are you ready to give your hair a natural, science-backed boost? Share your experience or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear your results.